How to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can sell on Facebook Marketplace. So let's dive in. So first open up your Facebook app and then you have to click this marketplace option on the bottom, and then you have to choose this sell option over here. Once you do so, now you can either click create listing or you can click this plus sign, and then it's going to pop up with this window, and here you have to choose the option that you want to sell. For example, let's go with vehicle. And now you have to just add photos and add all these titles and descriptions and price and all these listings. You can choose all these listings, and I'm gonna come back once I do so. So add the description as per your preference, and then you have to choose your location. You can add tags as well. Now you have another option over here that is only visible to you, that is over here. You can just choose this option and then add SKU, and then you have to choose the availability over here. You can just choose list as in stock or list as single item. If you're selling one item, you can show only one on your listing, and if you're selling more than one item, you can show in stock on your listing. I'm going to choose list as single item, and then you can also offer delivery over here and turn it on, toggle it on, and then you can just choose the meetup preferences like public meetup, door pickup, or door drop off. I'm going to choose this public meetup option, and then you can just choose the privacy settings over here. You can hide from friends or you can just make it visible to your friends, and then click next on the top right corner once you're done with all these options. Now you have to add a photo because this is not optional, and to continue you must add a photo. I'm going to add a imaginary photo and then come back. So let's say this is the picture of the car, and now I'm going to click next on the top right corner, and now you have to simply click publish on the top right corner. Simply click publish over here, and it's going to publish it over here, and that's how you sell on Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for watching.